available experts, please report to room A9.
Hello guys, X2 here, and welcome to, no, not this module, this one. Actions and consequences. Sorry, that was a bad joke. But there's a reason why I've loaded up one of these instead of just the regular tool mods here. So actions and consequences will look like this to begin with, and there will be blocks that are going to appear here. They'll either be solve blocks, which is a green tick, strike blocks, which is going to be a red X, that's why I've got this so I can strike on it, and then number blocks, which will be yellow with a number on them. So let's just solve some stuff. So we got both a tick and a number block there. So let's note down we've got a green, we've got a solve, and then 31. Let's strike on this. You can see we get a strike. And now let's solve the rest of them. And when you solved everything, you get action on the screen, and after a few seconds, it will turn to just dashes. There we go. And now we're going to be obtaining a sequence of letters. The first letter of the sequence can be obtained by the first character of the serial number with the following rules. If the character is a digit, it isn't, it's a K, but if it was, we'll just use that position on the keypad. So otherwise, we're going to be using the letter from the serial number as one of the keypad keys. Of course, you can see we don't have a K on the keypad. If no such key exists, shift this character forwards through the alphabet. Okay, see the shifting by 1 each time until we get to a key that exists. So K, no, L, no. So we're going to be starting on M. That's our first one. I forgot to note down the amount of cells that will come after that. We did that, then that. Remember to note it down, so I think we'd have 3 more cell ones. We'll have to have cell ones equal to the amount, so it'll be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. There'll be solve, then the 31 that appeared, and the strike here, then the solve. And then we've got a solve, solve. And then we need another 2 solves, I think. It doesn't matter for the last one, because if it solves before we type that one, then we knew we had one too many. So now, what do we do to get the rest of the letters? For each strike, solve, or number block, we're going to refer to the head of the next page to say the next letter, or letters in some cases in the sequence. So the solve block, starting on the previous letter in the sequence, M, move through the keypad in reading order and wrapping around from the bottom right to the top left, if necessary. That'll be equal to the amount of solve blocks, including this one we've had so far. Of course, if you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you get back to the start, so you can just modulo 9 if you need to. So at this point we've had 1, so our next letter is going to be Y. We're going to be moving in reading order a number of keys equal to solve blocks 1, and then take later on the key you land on, so we're taking Y. Next we had the number block. The order matters here, so we're going to take 3 and 1, 31, the intersection of 3 blank and blank 1. Obtain direction by taking the position of the previous letter in the sequence relative to the centre of the keypad. So from the centre of the keypad, our previous letter it was upwards, so we're going to go upwards from here, in this grid. Move the position obtained from the intersection of the grid below in the direction we got, and take the letter of the key in this position in reading order on the keypad, so we have W. Now we've got the strike block. We will actually be getting 10 letters. It's sort of like a punishment with striking. 10 letters of 1. The first of these letters is the previous letter in the sequence, W. The next A are the ones after it, so that'll be MYZ, BXC, EU. That's 8. And then the final letter is the enter key on reading order, which n is equal to the number of self blocks preceding this block. So basically, the amount of self blocks you've had up to this point, mod 9 plus 1. We've had 1 self block up to here. So mod 9 is 1, plus 1 is 2. So enter key in reading order is Y again. So then, when it refers to previous keys, it just means the most recent one you pressed. And then the rest of these self ones are just going to be the same as the first one, with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 from here, we get V. 3 from V, we get 1, 2, 3, E. 4 from E, 1, 2, 3, 4, we get Y again. 5 from 1, 2, 3, yeah, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get back to E again. And then 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our final sequence we're going to type in, hopefully. I messed it up. So we're going to type in we get a self module. That's basically what you have to do for everything. But let's go over quickly this. Recovery mode allows the diffuser to retain the sequence of blocks in case it is lost. These help on like Twitch plays where you might not have noted everything down, or just so you can get the information back. If you might have just typed something wrong, like there was a strike in between these two souls or something, and you just didn't see it, or you put it in the wrong place. When recovery mode is initiated, the first 5 blocks in the sequence are displayed. Pressing the second key in reading order will move forwards in the sequence, and pressing the 8th will move backwards, up and down. To exit recovery mode, press the 5th key, the middle one. That's how recovery mode works. Hopefully, this helps you understand how actions and consequences works. So self blocks you just move in reading order with the amount of self blocks including the one you're on. Number blocks you find the intersection of said number and move in the direction of the previous key from the center. So if you've got the center one, you just stay where you were. If like you had a key here and relative to the middle, your previous one was up left, you will go from 9 up to the 5 here. And then strike ones, you get 10 letters, which is just the letter you just pressed. The next 8 letters after that, so the rest of the letters in reading order. And then this value of n, which is just the amount of self blocks you've had so far. Anyway, hopefully that makes sense. That was actions and consequences. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I'll see you later.